Welcome, everyone, to today's episode of Mastering Civil Engineering Skills. I'm your host, Aisha, and today we're diving into a topic that's close to the heart of every budding civil engineer, mastering the essential skills in just 60 days. Joining us is an esteemed guest, Mr. Ahmed Khan, a senior civil engineer with over 20 years of experience in the field. Welcome, Mr. Ahmed.
Thank you, Aisha. It's an honor to be here and share my insights with your audience.
The honor is ours. So, let's start with the big question. Is it really possible to master core civil engineering skills in just 60 days?
That's a great question. While mastering might sound ambitious, the goal is to build a solid foundation of practical skills within 60 days. With a clear plan, focus, and consistency, it's absolutely achievable to significantly improve your capabilities.
That's inspiring. What would you say are the top 3 skills civil engineers should prioritize during this time?
First, technical proficiency is crucial. This includes mastering tools like AutoCAD, Revit, and StayOdPro, as they're essential for design and analysis. Second, problem solving and critical thinking. A good engineer doesn't just follow instructions but also finds solutions when things go wrong. Lastly, communication skills. Civil engineering involves collaboration with teams, clients, and stakeholders, so being able to articulate ideas clearly is vital.
Excellent points. Let's talk about the technical skills you mentioned. AutoCAD and StayOdPro can feel overwhelming for beginners. How should someone approach learning these
Start
tools?
small. Focus on the basics first, drawing layouts, understanding layers, and practicing simple designs. Online platforms like YouTube, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning have excellent beginner-friendly tutorials. Dedicate an hour or 2 daily, and always apply what you learn to small projects or tasks. Gradually, you'll see improvement.
That sounds manageable. What about field-related skills? After all, engineering isn't just about sitting at a computer.
On-site experience is irreplaceable. If you're a student or junior engineer, try to visit construction sites as often as possible. Observe how layouts are executed, learn to read drawings, and understand quality control processes. Even if you can't visit sites physically, there are great virtual simulation tools available that replicate on-site scenarios.
Virtual simulations sound like a fantastic alternative. Now, let's address a common challenge: time management. How can someone juggle their studies, job, or other commitments while following this 60-day plan?
It's all about planning. Dedicate specific hours daily to learning. Start with 30 to 60 minutes for theoretical concepts and another hour for practical application. Weekends can be reserved for larger tasks like working on a mini project or attending workshops. Remember, consistency is key. Even if you're busy, a little progress every day adds up.
Great advice. Mini projects sound interesting. Can you suggest a project idea
Sure.
for beginners?
A simple one is designing a small residential building. Create the layout in AutoCAD, analyze the structure in StayOdPro, and prepare a basic cost estimate. It's practical, and you'll get hands-on experience with multiple aspects of civil engineering.
That's a brilliant idea. Now, Mr. Ahmed, besides technical and field skills, what about soft skills? How important are they for civil
Soft
engineers?
skills are incredibly important. Time management, teamwork, and effective communication can make or break a project. For instance, you might need to explain technical details to non-engineers or resolve conflicts within a team. These are as vital as technical know-how.
Could you share a personal story where soft skills played a key role
Certainly.
in your career?
Early in my career, I worked on a large project with a tight deadline. Midway through, we faced a significant design issue. Resolving it required coordinating with architects, clients, and contractors. My ability to clearly communicate the problem and propose solutions helped us finish on time and strengthened my professional relationships.
That's a powerful example. Before we wrap up, any final tips for those embarking on this 60-day journey?
Yes, 3 tips. First, be consistent. Even 30 focused minutes a day is better than sporadic bursts of effort. Second, don't be afraid to ask for help. Join forums, connect with mentors, or engage in online communities. Finally, track your progress. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated.
Wise words, Mr. Ahmed. Thank you so much for sharing your expertise today. I'm sure our listeners are feeling motivated and ready to tackle the next 60 days with
Thank you,
confidence.
Aisha. It was a pleasure being here, and I wish everyone the best in their journey to mastering civil engineering skills.
And that's it for today's episode of Mastering Civil Engineering Skills. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Until next time, keep learning and building your future.